Hello. Here I'll teach you a strategy to add numbers, okay? And especially when they are in a series. What do I mean by series? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a number series, right? You know what the next number is from the pattern, correct? So you have a kind of series, right? So like we say 2, 4, 6, 8, it's a series where every number is 2 more or skip count, right? 5, 10, 15, 20 is a series, number of series. So we'll try to understand how to add the series up in no time, okay? I especially created this video for my young students who are going to grade 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? And I hope they enjoy and appreciate the method which we are going to learn just now. Here it is. Let me start with a very simple example. Let's say we have 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we want to add these 4 numbers. One way to do is you can add 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Very good. So you got your number 10. Other way is a new technique which I am going to teach you. That is, how about adding 1 and 4? When you add 1 and 4, what do you get? So when you add 1 and 4, you get 5. Now how about adding 2 and 3? When you add 2 and 3, you again get 5. How many 5s did you get? 2. So 2 5s, that means 2 times 5 equals to 10. See, actually without much adding, I got my answer. Do you like that? So what we did was, we grouped them in 2s. That is how we got 2, right? We grouped them in 2s, right? How many groups of 2s we got? One group and the second group, right? Always will be half the number of groups, correct? Let me take another example and then I'll get back to this. Let's say this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers do we have? 6 numbers. If I group them in 2s, how many groups will I have? 3. Now let us see how. And we'll go with this addition. Let's do this. What is 1 plus 6 equals to? 1 plus 6 is 7. Very good. How about 2 plus 5 equals to? Again 7. Perfect. How about 3 and 4 equals to? Well, that is also 7, right? So there were 6 numbers. Half of 6 is 3. So we have 3 groups because we group 2 together. And when we add first and last, we get 7. We don't have to add all because we get the same number, right? So we get 3 times 7 and 3 times 7 is 21. Good. Let's continue this process. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's have 10 numbers. Okay. Now, if we have 10 numbers, then if we group them like 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, and 5 and 6, how many groups will I have? 10 divided by 2 or half of 10. What is half of 10? 5, right? And what is 10 plus 1? 11. So 5 times 11 is 55. This is the total which we should get. Let's see. Do we really get it? Let's do it this time. Here, 1 plus 10 is how much? 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, 11. How about 2 plus 9? Again 11. Very good. How about 3 plus 8? This is also 11, right? And what about 4 and 7? 4 and 7 is also 11, correct? And how about 5 and 6? 5 and 6 is also 11. How many 11s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 11, 55. Do you get that? Do you understand the concept? The concept is to add first and last number, you get a number. In this case, if you add 1 and 10, you get 11. And then how many groups are there? There are half 10, that is 5 groups. So when you add them, you get 55. Does it always work? That's a big question. Okay, so try it out. Write numbers. You can write till now. Let me give you one example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go up to like this to 20. Now, before 20, let me write one more number here. 19. Okay. If you add these first, what is half of 20? Half of 20 is 10. What is 20 plus 1? 21. So I'll multiply 20 by 10 and I will get my result, 210. If you add all the numbers from 1 to 20, this is going to be your answer. How did I find it? I grouped them. Group them first and last. How much do I get? 21. And then the next 2 and 19 is also 21. Oh, I wrote 22. 21. Like that. You keep on adding. And how many 21s will I get? Half of 20, which is 10. So we get 10 times 21 as 210. Do you see that? So that is a very beautiful strategy to add numbers. Right? Can you try it on your own and do some rest? Let me again take one more example. The last one this time for you. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay? Now, tell me, what is 1 plus 8? 1 plus 8 is 9. How many groups of 2 will I have? Half of 8, which is 4. 4 times 9 is how much? 36. So that is the sum of numbers from 1 to 8. Do you agree with me? If not, we can go through the process of adding. Okay? So we'll add 1. Let me just put it here. Let's add 1 plus 8. How much do you get? 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is another 9. 3 plus 6. One more 9. How about 4 and 5? This is also 9. How many 9s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So we get our answer. Correct? Now, as an exercise, can you tell me the sum of first 100 numbers? 100 numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus till 100. Oh my God. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I'm trying to say add these numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on and on and on and on and on and on till 97 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. Can you do that? It's not difficult. You know the trick, correct? If you know the trick, then how much should it be? What is 1 plus 100? 1 plus 100 is 101 times how many groups of 2 are we going to have? Half of 100 times 50. You get your answer. Correct? Correct? 101 times 50. So when you times with 0, you get a 0 at the end. And 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. So that's your big number. So when you add all the numbers 1 to 100, you should get 50-50. Isn't that interesting? 50-50 is your answer here. Okay? So try out this and have fun with number series. I hope you enjoy and you learn this beautiful technique of adding numbers in series. We'll do second series with you where we'll skip numbers. Okay? Thank you.